Sometimes when we go through seasons that are painful and uncomfortable, you are tempted to ask, can there ever be a better version of myself? But the key is to stay. I told you, as a man of God, there were times I did everything right. Even with the knowledge today, I cannot say I did anything wrong. The principles were kept. It was just a matter of seasons. For someone, you are not wrong. Don't change the formula. Just stay. Just stay. The prayer formula is valid. The word study formula is valid. The honor formula is valid. The diligence formula is valid. The consecration formula is valid. The service formula is valid. The growth formula is valid. The endurance formula is valid. Just stay. If I did not stay, I would not have any story to tell you. There are nations waiting for your story. Don't disappoint them. Don't arrive without treasure. And they say, so where are you coming from? And you say, from the place of discouragement. And they say, so where is the fruit? Did you endure? And you say, no, I gave up. I say, why did you give up? Say, I did not know I was this close. I didn't know it was one more year left. I didn't know it was one more month left. I didn't know it was one more week left. I sense that the word for someone is don't give up. Stay, stay, stay. Wisdom does not look like wisdom till you see what it can do. Stay. I'm not saying you will not cry, but stay. I'm not saying you will not be discouraged. Some of you don't need this sermon today. There are too many helpers in your life. The sermon is not useful now. Don't throw it. Archive it.